guys, what's up? This is Anukriti here and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my natural makeup routine, and this video is requested by so many of you in my previous videos. So here I am showing you guys my natural makeup look. So I'll start by prepping my skin, and I'm using my DIY green tea toner and I'm spraying it all over my face. Next, I'm just going to rub an ice cube on my face so that my skin will look more fresh and glowy. Also, ice cubes work as a great primer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face, and I'm currently using the Fuchsia White Seed Brightening Lotion. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my favorite primer, which is Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer, and I'm gently tapping it on my T-zone, my forehead. Because I have really dry skin, so I'm going to use Garnier BB cream, as it is a very good BB cream for dry skin people. It will moisturize your face as well as it has SPF 15, which will protect your skin from harsh UV rays. I'll start gently tapping to my under eye area. And gently moving forward to my whole face, and I'm just going to gently tap this so that it will get absorbed easily into my skin. I think my fingers do better work spreading it all over my face, but if you want, you can use a beauty blender and gently tap it onto your skin so that the product will not look cakey, shiny or patchy. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Essence Brown Eyeliner Pencil, and I'm just going to draw a straight line very close to my upper waterline. Start applying it from the inner corner of your eyes all the way to the outer corner of your eyes. Don't draw a winged eyeliner because you want to look your eyes natural. So next, I'm just going to grab my brush and smudging it so that it will look more natural. For my lips, I'm going to apply a nude creamy matte lipstick. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and grab my Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Flaming something. Sorry, I forgot the shade name. I will link all the products details in my description box. I'm just applying it on my inner lips, and with the help of my finger, I'm just going to gently tap it so that it will look more natural and give the gradient effect onto my lips. I'm using the same lipstick as my blush, and I'm using very little amount of product, gently tapping it with the help of my finger onto my cheeks. Next, I'm just going to curl my lashes so that my eyes will look big and fuller. Then I'm going to apply my Maybelline Lash Curl Mascara on my upper lash line and my lower lash line. And I'm done. So this is my natural makeup routine, which you guys have been requesting me in my previous 2-3 videos, and I hope you guys like this video. And if you did, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will get notified. And please let me know what you guys think about this look in my comment box. And thank you so much guys for 10k subscribers on my channel. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful to you guys. So yeah guys, I'll see you next time with more such beautiful videos. Till then, take care. Bye.